In this video, I'll show you how to make a custom collage photo frame in Canva. And the best part is, you don't need Canva Pro to do this. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to turn any shape or image into a custom collage frame that works just like Canva's built-in frames. So let's jump straight into it. All right, now we are inside Canva. The first thing we need is an image, graphic, or shape that we can convert into a custom collage frame. You can use anything you like. I'll go to Elements, search for dog, then open the photos, and find a good image. I'll add this one to the page. If you're using an image that has a background, make sure to remove the background first. In my case, the image already has no background, so I'll simply make it bigger and adjust it on the page. Next, click on Edit, open Duotone, choose Custom, and turn the image into a solid color. You can pick any color you like. The reason we're doing this is to make the shape clean and ready for the next step. Now we need to create the collage sections. To do that, add some divider lines on top of the image to create smaller sections, just like this. You can place them however you want, depending on how many photos you want in your collage. Once you're happy with the layout, click on Share, then Download, and download this file as a PNG. After downloading, open the free website pixsvg.com. Here, upload the PNG image you just downloaded from Canva. In the Filter drop-down menu, select Internal 3. This option keeps the inside details and makes the result look exactly like your original design. After that, download the file as an SVG. Now, open Figma. If you don't already have an account, you can create one for free. Once you're inside, click on Design and upload the SVG file. After uploading, select the image. On the right side, you'll see the Fill option. Right now, it's set to a color fill. Delete that fill. Then click the plus icon, choose Image, and upload any image from your device. I'm using a pattern image just for temporary purposes, so don't worry about what you choose here. Once the image is applied, go to Export, select PDF as the format, and click Export Group. Now, go back to Canva. Let's add a new page, upload the PDF file you just exported from Figma, and place it onto the canvas. And as you can see, we now have different sections and each piece is separate. Inside each section, you'll see placeholder images. To remove them, simply click on any section and press Backspace. Do this for all the sections until the placeholders are gone. Now your custom collage frame is ready. To add your photos, go back to Elements or Photos and insert your images. You can adjust their position and size by double-clicking, just like you normally do with Canva frames. Add all your images, adjust them properly, and your collage photo frame is done. And that's how you can create custom photo collages in Canva for free using this simple method. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more creative Canva tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.